The alarm goes, the phone beckons. We scroll mindlessly, life passes by. Phantom buzzes haunt. FOMO fuels anxiety. We miss reality. Present moment fades, moments stolen by screens. Real life sacrificed. Digital distractions numb. Cherished memories lost. Phones control us. Dopamine traps ensnare. Multitasking fails. Well-being suffers. Problems consume us. Solutions empower change. Reclaim your power. Ownership empowers action. Shift perspective, transform. Embrace imperfection. Progress, not perfection. Reclaim phone control. Set boundaries, be present. Enhance life intentionally. Choose connection. Sarah feels trapped. Digital world consumes. Real connections fade. She seeks change. Sarah reclaims life. Disconnects, reconnects. Embraces real moments. Finds inner peace. A new perspective from problem to power. Sarah's journey wasn't easy. There were moments of temptation, times when she felt the pull of the digital world, the urge to check her phone, to escape into the endless scroll. But she persevered, reminding herself of the reasons why she had started this journey. The desire to reclaim her time, her attention, and her life. She was committed to creating a healthier relationship with technology. She started to view her phone as a tool rather than a tyrant. She used it intentionally for specific purposes, rather than allowing it to dictate her time and attention. She set boundaries, created healthy habits, and prioritized real-life connections over digital distractions. She was in control of her technology, rather than allowing it to control her. She also shifted her mindset from problem-focused to solution-focused. Instead of dwelling on the negative aspects of her phone use, she focused on the positive changes she was making in her life. She celebrated her successes, learned from her setbacks, and kept moving forward, one step at a time. She was empowered, resilient, and determined. Sarah's story is a reminder we all have the power to reclaim our lives from the grip of the digital world. Mindfulness and intention. Reclaiming your attention. Be present in the moment, aware of thoughts and feelings. Observe phone habits without judgment. Make conscious choices about phone use. Reclaim attention from the digital world. Practical strategies for digital detox. A digital detox is a period of time during which you disconnect from digital devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. It can be a powerful way to reset your relationship with technology, to break free from the grip of the digital world, and to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. It's like hitting the refresh button on your mind and body. Start small. Begin with a few hours each day or a whole day each week where you disconnect completely. Turn off notifications, put your phone on airplane mode, or leave it at home altogether. Use this time to engage in activities that nourish your soul. Read a book, spend time in nature, connect with loved ones. Pursue a hobby. Rediscover the joy of being present without the constant distractions of the digital world. Create phone-free zones in your home. Designate certain areas, such as your bedroom, dining room, or living room, as spaces where phones are not allowed. This creates boundaries and helps you to be more present with your family and yourself. It allows you to reclaim these spaces as sanctuaries for connection and relaxation rather than battlegrounds for attention. Be mindful of your triggers. What situations or emotions make you reach for your phone? Boredom, loneliness, stress, anxiety. Once you're aware of your triggers, you can develop strategies for coping with them without resorting to your phone. This might involve engaging in a hobby, talking to a friend, practicing mindfulness, or simply allowing yourself to feel the emotion without judgment. It's about finding healthier ways to cope with the challenges of life. All right, so let's dive into this. Technology isn't inherently good or bad. It's really about how we use it that matters. We have the choice to use technology as a tool to enhance our lives, or, we can let it become a tyrant that controls us. Building a healthy relationship with technology, well, it requires awareness, intention, and boundaries. It's about being in the driver's seat, making conscious choices about how we use our devices rather than just reacting automatically to the demands. Set clear intentions for your phone use. Before you pick up your phone, ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Are you checking for important messages, connecting with a friend, or simply seeking distraction? When you have a clear purpose, you're less likely to get lost in the endless scroll of social media or the rabbit hole of online distractions. You're using your phone with intention rather than allowing it to use you. Create healthy boundaries, set limits on your screen time, turn off those notifications, and create phone-free zones in your home. Schedule specific times for checking your phone rather than letting it interrupt your day constantly. These boundaries will help you reclaim your time, your attention, and your life. They will create space for the things that truly matter. Remember, you are in control. If you can switch your phone on, you can surely switch it off. You have the power to choose how you use technology rather than allowing it to use you. You can create a healthy relationship with your phone that supports your well-being, your relationships, and your dreams. You are the master of your technology, not its slave. Imagine a world where you're not constantly tethered to your phone. This world is not a fantasy, it's a possibility waiting to be unlocked. Unplugging is not about deprivation, it's about liberation. It's about choosing to live your life rather than watching it scroll by. For too long, we've been conditioned to believe that happiness comes from external sources, from validation on social media, from material possessions, from the approval of others. We've been taught to look outside ourselves for solutions to our problems, to rely on others to fix our lives, to seek fulfillment in the fleeting pleasures of the digital world. This external focus leaves us feeling empty, powerless, and perpetually dissatisfied. We are constantly seeking something outside of ourselves to complete us. The truth is, true happiness and fulfillment come from within. They come from cultivating a deep sense of self-reliance, from taking ownership of our lives, from recognizing that we have the power to create the reality we desire. We are not victims of circumstance. We are creators of our own destiny. We are responsible for our own happiness, our own success, our own well-being. Self-reliance is not about doing everything on our own. It's about recognizing our own inherent worth, our own capacity for growth, our own power to create change. It's about trusting our own intuition, believing in our own abilities, and taking responsibility for our own choices and actions. It's about knowing that we have everything we need within us to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. Embrace the mantra, I owe myself everything, no one owes me anything. This powerful statement is not about selfishness. It's about self-respect. It's about recognizing that you are worthy of your own love, your own attention, your own investment. It's about prioritizing your own well-being, your own growth, your own dreams. It's about taking responsibility for your own life and creating the reality you desire. You are the architect of your own destiny. Our phones, once symbols of connection, have become shackles of dependence. But this dependence is not a life sentence. We have the power to break free. It begins with a shift in perspective, from dependence to empowerment. Disconnect from digital noise. Reconnect with yourself and the world. We are not alone on this journey. We are all in this together. The phone dilemma is about our relationship with ourselves. It's about the journey to self-discovery. Unplugging creates space for self-reflection. These questions guide us on our journey. The journey to self-discovery begins with a single step: